Watch the numbers and please your banker. Number 14. Review and revise your plan. Compare your results with industry averages and past data. Analyze each item. If you expect a kick in income from a new product, ask, can we afford to do this now? Were you on track with your estimates? Review by adding in the actual figures. Month by month. The current month plus the 2 preceding months. Any differences? Find out why do they deviate from the projections? Was it wishful thinking? Poor sales and marketing results? Or higher expenses? A problem defined is a problem half solved. Don't focus only on the negative deviations. Why do you have extra cash flow? Keep a notebook of the reasons for your projections where you went right or wrong. Write down your response to any problems. Did your solution help or not? This is invaluable information for the next projection. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next, the cash flow blues.